Work is not really the biggest focus of the day, although it remains an important part. This is the best way to stay on top of your work game. Set boundaries between work and home life. Startups offer faster growth, a wider set of responsibilities, and greater autonomy, making them an attractive career option to those who are ambitious and risk-taking. The icing on the cake can also be ESOPs that become valuable in a fast-growing startup. However, startups also come with their own share of risks, especially in times of a recession slowdown, given that their balance sheets are not as robust as that of a large mature company. Some initial studies from across the work are showing that in the first 2 weeks of isolation and working from home, employees are caught up in the transition, stocking up on groceries, and working in the midst of it all. Work is not really the biggest focus of the day, although it remains an important part. Another finding that is coming up is that after the initial 2 weeks of settling in, the productivity of employees working from home starts to dip. The reasons could be many: concerns and fear for their own and family's safety, or even a sense of boredom or mild depression because the routine has very little variety. Very little in-person interaction with colleagues can also be a big downer, especially for extrovert employees who thrive in discussions and derive their ideas and energy from social interactions. Discipline. This is the best way to stay on top of your work game. Create a small workspace in your room home and make sure that it is comfortable enough to spend the day. Get to your workspace by your usual scheduled time of 9 or 9:30 a.m.